Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving west in Stuart Town on the A3 Arokabessa to White River Road, also the A3 Northern Coastal Highway towards Ocherius, St. Mary Parish. We are now leaving Stuart Town and heading into Rio Nuevo, also Ryanova. Turning onto Royal Palm Way. If we had continued straight, then the road would take us to Tower Isles, Ocherius and other places. Turning onto Oakland Close. We are back on Royal Palm Way. Just ahead, you can see the famous Ship House. A link to the video of the Ship House is in the video description. Turning onto Pines Close. We are back on Royal Palm Way. Turning onto Mahogany Close. To the right is the rear of the famous Ship House. We are back on Royal Palm Way. Royal Palm Way ends and we are turning onto Palm Ridge Close. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.